It's voting time with Dupe. Let's dive in and I'll show you how you can vote with Dupe. Here we are at Twitter. This is the official Twitter for Jupiter Exchange. And the website is nice and simple, dupe.ag. We've already got some Dupe. Otherwise, we can do a swap right here. Having a look in my wallet, we can see 100 Dupe ready for voting. Now let's go up to the top of the page. Click on the Jupiter planet and then click Governance. This opens up a new window, vote.dupe.ag. Let's go and connect our wallet. We can use whatever wallet we want out of any of these listed right here. We'll click Phantom and we've connected. At the moment, I have no voting power, but I do have 100 Dupe right here. I can go and vote with whatever amount I have. I can do a small amount like 20. I can also click half, or if I want to, I can click max. Just note this right here. As soon as we click stake, unlocking will take 30 days. Let's click on stake and confirm in our wallet. We notice a small gas fee paid in Solana and click confirm. We have successfully staked our Dupe. If for some reason this doesn't go through, we can always try again because maybe our transaction failed. Now we can see our voting power has 100 Dupe, and down here we've got one active proposal. These proposals down here, we can no longer vote for them. At present, in April 2024, when a vote is open, it's open for 3 days. Now let's click round 2 of LFG voting. This is the next vote that we can do. We've got a little bit of a blurb of information here. We can click read more, and this takes us to an overview where we've got all of the different things that we're voting on. With this vote, we're working out who can launch with the LFG Launchpad. We've got 6 options here. You need to do your own research and you can vote for whoever you want. You can only vote for one with each wallet. So if, as an example, you might like Nyan Heroes and Monkeydex, you would need to vote with 2 different wallets. Now, of course, you have your personal favorites and I have my personal favorites, and you should definitely be doing your research and voting for something that you like. On this occasion, I'm literally just going to do a random number generator between 1 and 6. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, Monkeydex, click vote, and there's a small Solana transaction fee and confirm. At this point, you need to make sure that your transaction goes through. Transaction has gone through. We can see voted 100. If you want to change your vote, you can do so. You just have to do it before the end date and time. You may change your vote because you like a project better due to your own research. Once again, we'll use a random number generator. Number 2. We're going to change it to Uprock and then change your vote and confirm the transaction. This currently says you voted Monkeydex. We have to wait until this says Uprock and then we know our vote has been changed. Now let's click Governance, scroll on down, and we can see clearly we have voted here. By voting, you'll be eligible for active staking rewards. Now it's time for you to go and vote.